Meaning of doctrinal.
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 Doctrinal. The term doctrinal typically refers to matters related to the principles or beliefs of a particular system of thought, such as a religion, philosophy, or political ideology. It can also refer to official teachings or doctrines of a group or organization. The result of something being doctrinal is that it is guided by established principles or beliefs, with decisions and actions being informed by these underlying tenets. This can create a sense of consistency and unity within the group or system, but may also lead to rigidity or inflexibility in changing circumstances.